Pandas. Pandas. Good morning, my pandas. Welcome to the stream. Thanks for joining, everybody. Good morning. Hope everyone is doing well today. Good morning, everybody. Something weird like this going on. Not entirely sure. Sorry for the late start, pandas. Sorry for the late start. That's life. That's what all people say. We had news this morning. But the big move happened like 15 minutes after the actual news event. Interesting. Yeah, we had news at 8:30. We actually have news at 10 o'clock today as well. This is what I'm seeing currently. Could either be this or something like this. It's confusing. It's one of the two. It's either this. You know what? Forget it. This looks cleaner. I guess. If this is a trading range, this is not a bad spot to reverse. Okay. We get bamboozled here. Get bamboozled on my first trade. What's new? What is new? Getting bamboozled on my first trade. What's new, right, pandas? Getting bamboozled on my very first trade. What is new? Feels like I entered long top of trading range. That was worth a try here. Getting bamboozled first. Today's gonna be diabolical. I already feel it. It's gonna be diabolical. I already know. Look at that. It takes me out and then goes the way I want it to go after it takes me out first. Bamboozled on the first trade of the day. And you gotta love that, right? You gotta love going long or going short and it prints a super strong bull bar out of nowhere. And the very next bar, it shoots down. Like, why did you have to do this move up first before going the way I wanted to go? Like, it's getting bamboozled first trade of the stream. All good. That's life. Again. What can you do about it? I was watching. It's not a bye-bye money stream without getting bamboozled on the very first trade. of the stream. Look at that. It takes me out perfectly. I could have skipped it after, you know, 4 overlapping bars. Guess I could have skipped. But this is the move I wanted. But I had to do this sharp move to the upside, and I'm not going to go short against this bull bar ending on its high, thinking it may just continue to go sideways here. I'm not going to go short right there either, so it is what it is. No way for me to get in there. Now we're heading to the bottom trading range. We're in the lower half of it. Typically stay away from going long or going short near the bottom half of the trading range. Far away from 20 MA. It is a strong push to the downside, so you could carry some momentum here. Unfortunate. First trade of the stream is get bamboozled. I already know because of seeing this, like I almost don't even want to trade the rest of the day. Like I almost don't want to trade the rest of the day because I already know it's going to be tricky. Right? The fact that this happened right here, that is diabolical. Very tricky, in my opinion. I may just be like spectator like the rest of the day. Golly. Could be a morning reversal on the 5-minute chart. So we got a orb, right? Orb, bullish orb, but looks like it's about to fail. So it could be a morning reversal. This is one of the days the orb fails. But I mean, we'll see. Maybe not. Maybe it'll come all the way back up. Drop those GMs in the chat. Drop those GMs in the chat. Sorry for the late start, pandas. Sweat Row, good morning. Norfolk, good morning. Substance, good morning. Welcome, everybody. Welcome to the stream. It ain't a buy money stream unless you get bamboozled on the first trade of the day. 15-point risk, is that right? 14-point risk? Second just short here. Do I like it? Maybe I should just gone short. I don't know. Maybe I should have gone short here. Second just short. Been something like this, I guess. You had this kind of like trend line like this right now. I'll try. It's on our trend line, so I decided to try it one time. It's on our trend line, I decided to try. I just don't feel I don't feel too good about today. I feel like today is going to be filled with tricks. Like crazy tricks. I should have scalped out. I feel like today's going to be tricky. I should have scalped out at the bottom of that bull bear bar. Like, why am I even trying to get a follow through here? I should have just scalped out. So scalped out there as well. Yeah, I should have scalped out here. I feel bamboozled going
Target
on.
filled.
I feel some bamboozleys going on here. Something weird's happening. I don't like it. I realized my panda face is not up, and I still did the sunglasses. My bad. Yeah, something's wrong with my my panda avatar. I gotta fix it up before I turn it back on. So didn't have time this morning. It's all good. Something weird's happening here. I don't like it. I just want to scalp out. I don't trust today. I'll just tell you right now. I don't trust the price action for today. Yep. Yep. It's gonna come up here. I'm pretty sure it's coming out to back to break even here. I'll be surprised if it actually doesn't. I'm actually expecting it to come back to break even. Lower high could be a really good move. But shenanigans today. Like, you get bamboozled like this, right? Early on. I don't know. Again, the only reason why I took this trade is because it was on the trend line. All right, we hit a trend line here. Trickiness. Tomfoolery going on right now. Truly. Second to short again. I mean, there is a trend line here, Pandas. And we're right on it. I'm actually surprised it didn't come out to break even, because usually the market retests these areas. Especially on a day like today. I feel like it's already proving to be tricky. Being up 141 is a win. Like, I will be fine walking away with 141 today. Knowing that today is going to be diabolical. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 overlapping bars in a row. I already know today's going to be tricky, Pandas. Just be careful. Just be careful. I already know. This is what happened here already gave me like signs of today's going to be really tricky. Okay, so we do come out break even here. I knew it. I knew eventually we'll come out to break even. So good scalp there. I pretty much got like as much as I could, I feel like. Pretty good scalp there. Otherwise I would come out break even with that push back up. I almost want to take a fail second just short here and bring this back up to the top of the trading range. I almost wouldn't mind that today. Thinking today is probably trading range day. Going to be choppy and sideways. I like a setup though. Feels like I'm just short. Big push up. Very strong push up. Bon voyage. I'm not going to get my setup. I'm not getting my setup. Feels like I'm just short is what I'm looking for. To get this back up to the top of this trading range. I'm not going to get my setup. It's going to just go without me. Yeah, micro double bottom instead. Micro double bottom instead. And it's going to go without me. Okay. That actually is good. That's what I wanted to see. An ultra strong bear bar ending on its low. Could be creating a trading range like this now. Trading range tendencies, trading ranges have a tendency to create more trading ranges. I can't take this trade. It's too strong bear bar. And the bar is huge. Look how much risk you're going to take on this trade on the bad signal bar. So it's a low probability trade, but you're taking a lot of risk. It's not my style. Where's the panda face? It's messed up. I gotta fix it up for tomorrow. Sorry about that. They did like an update or something. Okay, so it looks like it's trying to make a 1-to-1, but again, the risk was too big for me on a day like today, and the it's a bad signal bar. So I'm setting my pause. I don't mind waiting, skipping this, just because that's really tricky. It's very tricky. If you like to trade still, here's an entry. And what's happening is people went short here, they scaled in, went short here again. What they're going to do is they're going to come out break even on their trade for going short here. And that's going to cause this to scalp back up. So people, you might think this is like people coming back into the trade here. But really what it is that it's people who went short here and then went short again somewhere up here or here. And they're coming out break even on this trade, making money on this trade. And when shorts cover their position, they have to buy, which causes us to bounce up. So, yeah, if you see like that little bounce there, most likely because those who went short here are out break even on their trade after scaling in. In my opinion, that's what I would have done if I was trying to trade this like as like a trading range, but I'm not trying to do that right now. So you fail this trade. I mean, looks like it's gonna fail. Right, looking for a 1-to-1, but before it gets to the 1-to-1, it reverses. So it's a hard trade to take. Bad signal bar, big signal bar as well. Big for a 500 tick chart. It's quite large. Ben, Knowledge Hub, good morning. Sherman, good morning. Tate, good morning. Welcome, everybody. Thanks for joining. It's going to be a wild ride today. I'll just tell you that much. I already know it's going to be tricky. It's not going to be an easy day. Like, I'm happy just being green, and I want to walk away. Unless, like, we see, like, very strong signs of imbalance. That's what you want to see. You want to see imbalance. You want to see the market not having equilibrium. You don't want it to go sideways. You want the market to shoot strongly in a direction and have follow through. That's basically my main setup, or strong reversals. That's annoying though. You pretty much break even. I made more money on this trade than what I lost here, so it's all good. See, that means I have good risk reward on my trades, right? I have better reward than my risk. Even this trade, I was only risking this much. You know, oh man, that almost makes a 1-to-2. Does it actually make a 1-to-2? Let me get this better. Yeah, it actually makes a 1-to-2 here. I have like a instinctual like take profit at 1.5 risk or reward. I seem to do that. Like I want a little bit more than 1. And it's usually around 1.5. I instinctively do that. Heisenberg said news at 10. Yeah, we could be going sideways on news. And that's when maybe when we want to start joining in. Remember, pandas, there is a gap now on the regular trading hours down here. What a move yesterday, right? What a move yesterday. We're basically covering the damage that happened after 1, 2, 3, 4 bars at the end of last week. Right, we are recovering all this damage. Yeah, that happened. I'm thinking we may bounce off the 20 EMA. 2340. Yeah. So I marked it up here. 23. You know, this is pretty much where the daily 20 EMA is. Okay, pushing back up. Just pure shenanigans. How annoying is that? You go long here, you get stopped out perfectly, and it bounces back up. How annoying is that? I'll answer that question. It's very annoying. It's very annoying for that to happen. I'll answer that question for you. Very annoying. That's how you know the price action is gonna be diabolical. You miss your target by one, like a couple ticks, it reverses, stops you out because your stop loss is right here. and then goes back up to where you want it to go. Now that is diabolical. Why do markets stop loss hunts? Fails to catch a short here. Do I like it? The market's too confusing. I don't love anything here. News in about 1.5 minutes. Yeah, sorry, Panda's gonna be missing today. There was like a there was like an update, so I gotta fix it before I turn it back on. Okay, let me try. Yep, that trap fails. You're just stuck in this trading range. If anything, I should go short here, to be honest. Golly, again. Trap fails, but then after the trap fails, then it goes the way you want it to go. Just like here. Trap fails, then it goes the way you want it to go. It's just diabolical. I don't want anything to do with this. I'll tell you that much right now, Pandas. I don't want anything to do with this. I'll tell you that much right now, Pandas. What? This is diabolical. I'm getting mad at this, and I'm not even trading it. You know what I mean, Pandas? I'm getting mad. I'm not even trading it. That's how you know it's diabolical. Like, I'm getting mad at the price action. And I'm not even like trading the price action. Golly, that's annoying. That's how you know it's diabolical. When you don't even trade it and you're getting pissed off. Oh, interesting. Alright. Okay. And we're back. Jamil, welcome. Welcome everybody. We're 1-1 right now on our record. 1-1. Not too shabby on a day like today. I already know it's diabolical. Look at this trap fails and Dan finally goes where we want to go. Golly, you're scalping. Whatever you're doing today, you're just scalping. And I don't mean that in a good way. I mean that in the worst way possible because the market's diabolical. Oh, I guess news happened, but maybe that caused this little push up. I don't know. I just see a triangle currently. That's what I see. I see a failed breakout. Second entry long, but at resistance. It has a nice initial push up. This could fly. It is hitting two key areas. Trend line and 20 EMA, but the problem is this trend line. And the overall, like, not trusting anything type day today. You know what I mean? The market's out to get you. Like, staring at this, I just see it's a low EV day. And maybe even a negative EV day. Like, there's almost nothing you can do today to make money. In my opinion, I don't know. Why do I still support Trump? Just like every president. Positive, negatives. Overall, I think he's getting a lot of flack, but okay. So, like, in terms of policies, I actually really like what he's doing. In terms of policies, I think he's doing great. In terms of policies, amazing. But he's doing like a lot of weird stuff. He's doing a lot of weird stuff, like, I don't know, renovating the White House, putting new monuments up, changing the Kennedy Center to Trump and Kennedy Center. I don't know. He's just like kind of doing like Trumpy things. But in terms of policies, I'm guessing like policy stuff he doesn't really control. That's just like really the, the Republican agenda. But he's surprisingly, he's not like, I don't think he's like causing that much like like he used to Trump, like not Trump, he used to tweet like every day and it gets crazy. I don't think he really does that anymore. Or if he is, no one cares anymore. It's just like a person who just babbles, they just let it happen. But yeah, I mean, I just think in terms of policies, he's okay. There's one thing that he's not doing well, and that's inflation. Inflation. I don't think that was not handled, and unfortunately, because of that, someone needs to bite the bullet. There has to be a president out there that bites the bullet, destroys their own career to fix our economy. Like, he needs, him or whoever president's next needs to put the U.S. into a recession. And it hurts. It hurts to hear that, but yeah. I mean, maybe it's not even the president's decision. It's usually the what's it the Fed chair. That's their decision usually. Paul Volcker, and increasing interest rates to 20% absolutely destroyed the economy, but it was so necessary to bring inflation back down. And I think, whatever, how many years of pain, it seemed like it was like 5 to 10 years of pain that it took to bring all the prices back down. Jamil says, I had a one and done in the green today. Hope everyone's doing well in the market. Absolutely. Get out of here. Like, today is a day where you get that one good trade and you're out. Golly, this days. I could already tell it's gonna be difficult. Price action wise, when you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, possibly 6. Let's see. 6 candles closing within the first 5-minute candle. Let's see if it closes within it. I'm not sure yet. Yep, 6 closes within the first 5-minute candle. You know something's up. Something weird's happening. Feels like I get your long outside bar reversal. Top of the trading range hit to the T. I might consider going short here if it wasn't an outside bar reversal. So just chilling. Creates this wick here, this tail. Like, I want this trade to fail and then come back down. Just as it did here. I almost want the exact same thing to happen here. It looks like it's not going to happen though. I'm going to try on the fourth push down, see if we get something good here. Thinking trading range day. It's gonna be one of those days that you gotta scalp. I don't think I can come out break even on my trade here. I don't think I can take my risk off. I think I'm just gonna get hit every single time I do it. Even on a strong bear bar, I probably get stopped out. Break even. Yeah, getting knocked out here. Yeah. It's just it's gonna be absolutely diabolical today. I already know. I don't know if I even wanna. I don't know if I want to trade anymore today. I already know today it's gonna be difficult. Small risk trade. Good signal bar, right? Top of the trading range, just where you expect to go short. And it does this. Tomfoolery. Filthy. It's going to be filthy price action. What can I say? Creating probably another trading range somewhere in this area now. Possibly. I missed some sort of channel that I should have drawn here. Maybe I missed this channel and that was a strong support. Could be something like that. I was trading into support like that. I don't know. I'm fine with a negative $100 some day today. I think that's a plus today. I mean, it's just gonna be diabolical. It's confusing. While buy now, now sell, buy now, now sell. This is called getting chopped up. If you keep on changing your direction, that means you're getting chopped. You're getting absolutely chopped. Like this market is chopped. Chopped markets will chop up traders. Truly. High or low, good signal bar. Tracking along our channel as well. High or low. Strong bull bar. Anyone's high. Most likely some follow through. Maybe breakout here. Who knows? Should I just go short here for the Hail Mary trade? See what happens. For like an incredible risk reward potentially today. Low probability, but incredibly good risk reward. Should I try? Like incredibly good risk reward. I'm talking about like coming back to the bottom of a trading range of some sort. Oh, looks like I get hit. It's a strong bear bar. I was like, all right, let's just try. A little bit of follow through here. Gets bought up immediately though. I need like a strong push to the downside here. Looks like I get hit. I tried. It printed 2 bear bars in a row as well, so more reason to hold. And yeah, I just thought today might be trading range day. We're top of the trading range. I could scale in a little bit, but golly, I'm trading minis here. It's not something I can do on minis. I can do it on micros maybe, but not minis. Strong bull bar any on high. See if I follow through on this down move. I mean, it could be really good risk reward here. Incredibly good risk reward on a trading range day today. Hold. No, looks like I get hit. Incredibly difficult to hold this. The timing needs to be impeccable here. Maybe a really good risk reward here. What am I thinking? There's no way I can come out break even, right? There's no way I'm coming out break even on that trade. And there's no reason this will allow me to stay break even here, take no risk on this trade, right? Absolutely no way this market's going to allow me to do a no risk trade. There's absolutely no way. I'm going to do it anyways. I don't like it. Eh. Eh. Yeah, the market's not gonna do it. Not let you get away with a no risk trade. Not today. No way. The 5 minute chart is weirdly like a lot of bull bars in a row. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, potentially 6 bull bars in a row. Does seem a little. Seems like it may go to the upside. I mean, that's a lot of bull bars in a row. I guess I'll try. Shoot. Am I in this trade? I'm confused. Am I in this trade? I'm a bit confused. I guess I am in this trade. I might get blasted here. Yeah. Okay. I'm confused. I lost like 500 on a couple accounts. Yeah, it makes sense. Snaps up, snaps back down. I don't know. Diabolical. Diabolical day to trade today. I don't know. I'll take one more trade today, and I think we'll call it a day. This is a low EV day for me. Like, this is not the type of day I like to trade. And I already knew it from the beginning. I already knew it when I lost this trade. Like, I should have just stayed away from the market. Every trade I've gone in afterwards, I've lost. I took 2 more trades afterwards. I gave 3 trades, 1 break even, and 2 losers. That makes sense when I'm down 566. It's all good. Pandas, this is diabolical. What do you expect from me? Like, look at what's happening here. What am I supposed to do here? Yeah, should I go short? It's too choppy right now. I'm gonna let it play out. It is just the definition of chop. Pushing to the upside, quite strong now. Strong bull bar. Let's see if there's follow through. Like, unusually a lot of bull bars on the 5 minute chart. Like, unusually a lot. It's unusually a lot of bull bars. This is what I mean. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and possibly 7 bull bars in a row. It's unusually a lot of bull bars. Breaking to the upside. Maybe gonna test the overnight highs. Looks ugly to me, but whatever. I mean, it looks like a trading range day to me, so this looks crazy that it's just going up, and it's going to be hard for me just to go long here, knowing that it's choppy and we're on top of a trading range, and we keep pushing up. Like, I don't know. I just... 2 bear bars in a row. Still very confused. Breakout retest. Strong bull bar ending on its high. Let's see some follow through, shall we? Golly. 7 bull bars in a row on the 5-minute chart. This just looks diabolical. Maybe it's a lot more bullish than I think. Down 566. I feel okay just ending the stream here as well. Like, down 566 is better than being down more than this because I don't know if they're going to see much opportunity today. And if the opportunities I do see might be tricky. Ooh, okay. Now we're in reversal. All right, fail second entry long. Last time, pandas. If I get bamboozled here, it is what it is. Nice thing about this happening is I can skip this trade and feel okay about it. Oh, it's go. Oh, I kind of want to take it again. Strong bear bar ending on its low here. Come back into our trading or into our trend though. We'll hold. We'll see. I don't want to deal with that. I don't want to deal with it all coming all the way back up and reversing again on me. I don't want to deal with that, pandas. Just happens to be what you have to go through on a day like today, though. Try one more time here. Okay. Don't want to deal with that nonsense, right? You gotta fails against you long, top of a trading range, and starts to reverse on you like this. I don't want to deal with that. I really don't want to deal with that. I guess I'll try whatever. Okay, you wait for your setup. And that's why you wait, pandas. That is why you wait. Golly. That's ugly. What am I looking at here, Pandas? I'm not gonna touch this unless we get like a very distinct move here. This is diabolical. Why'd I go 1-for-1 instead of 5 ticks? Overall, the 1 point scalps used to work, but they don't work anymore. It used to be very volatile, and every break of a previous candle's extreme would give you a scalp, more or less. So I had a lot of success early on doing that, but as the volatility disappeared, I realized, golly, I need better risk reward here. I don't know. Obviously, I want to come back, at least back to green today, but I'm almost okay just ending the stream like this and being happy with my $500 loss today. I'm gonna lose Pandas eventually. I will have some red days, and on diabolical days like today, being down 500 is actually a win, in my opinion. Being down 500 is a win here, to be honest. Very difficult day, just untradeable, very untradeable, in my opinion. In my opinion. Opinion. Look at this. 40,000 overlapping bars in a row. I mean, this could trickle all the way up to this line, which is the 20 EMA on the daily chart. It is a target. I believe that is a target today. Okay, breaking up to the upside. I don't know, Pandas. Should have reversed here, but it didn't, so I'm like kind of confused. It didn't reverse where it should have, so what do we do now? Okay. No. Like, looking at this chart, it just looks super choppy. Even it's going up now strongly, it's like, it just looks so choppy that, like, it just wants to be contained within this channel. So it's hard for me to go long, even though it's starting to show strong bullishness here. Just because at any moment I feel like it can just reverse and chop back down. It's crazy. Yeah, I don't know. Okay, 2 bear bars in a row. I mean, oh, oh, oh. Mean anything? No idea. Strong bear bars any on their lows. No entries, right? Hard to get in here. Bouncing off the 20 EMA on the 2500 tick. All right, just bouncing off the 20 EMA now on the 500 tick, 2500 tick. Golly, I mean, when I look at this panda, it's like, this disgusts me. What am I supposed to do with this monstrosity? Simple answer is sit on pause. But I'm itching for an opportunity here to make some bamboo. You know what I mean, pandas? You know what I mean? Lower high. And it breaks the pivot low. Okay. Got no entries. Even though I want to go short, I don't have an entry to go short. If I want to go short, I just don't have an entry for it, so what can you do? Just watching it go down. And that's what days like this often happens. You obviously see a reversal here, but you don't have any entries to get in. You want one pullback. Okay, we get a pullback. Far away from 20 MA. It's a little far away now to take this, but and the risk is quite large. I guess beggars can't be choosers. I didn't get the best entry there. I didn't get the best entry there, Pandas, unfortunately, because it just closed so quick. And it's going to rip my face off now? Yeah. That's what I thought. Didn't give me the best entries and rip my face off. What can you do about it? What can you do about it? Should I give this some room to breathe? I like having my defined risk though. And just joining in again if I like the setup. I'm already in a trade here. I would maybe double my scale in. But it's basically right where my first entry was, so I mean, it doesn't matter. This is not going anywhere, is it? Yeah, it's going sideways now to take me up. It's gonna stop me out now. That's unfortunate. I tried. I'll just take the hit, and then if I see a, if the second entry short's nice, then I'll take it maybe. It is what it is. It's probably gonna test a 20 MA here. Yeah, take me out. Tremendous strong move up. That's why I didn't want to scale in, because I didn't know how strong the move back up was gonna be. Like I said, no entries, and when you get an entry, it reverses on you. Days like today will do that. Days like today will absolutely do that to you. Destroy you. I mean, this is an okay signal bar. I'd consider going short here, but it's a terrible signal bar. Pretty much hitting my max stop loss today already. Yeah. Yeah. I already know 2 days gonna be hard. Like the moment I lost my first trade, I said today's gonna be difficult. And lo and behold, here we are. In a very difficult day, and now I'm down my max, my DLL, right? My daily loss limit, pretty much there. Super unfortunate. Good morning. Can we still reset evals on Apex? I haven't used them since they changed their website. Yeah, you can reset them. If you didn't like change them, then they should already be reset because. Whoa! Now we're moving. Okay, basically hitting the what? Oh, I was way off on that. 24,355. 24. Oh, I was way off on that. Oh, it's up here. What is this line doing up here? We just moved like crazy right there. Look at the 5-minute chart. It's gonna make you giggle. Inside, outside, outside. How silly is that? How silly is that nonsense? Golly, this is so stupid. Actually, so dumb. Second entry long. I don't even want to take it. Take a fail second entry long here. With 2. Last trade of the stream, Pandas. Okay. Still being pretty diabolical. I think I'll still attempt this. One last reversal attempt on this trading range day. Obviously not interested if it goes up too high. That's silly. I mean, it looks like it wants to keep going up, but in the most painful way possible. That's wild. It's actually wild. Strong bear bar ending on its low. Triggers. Top of a trading range. Almost want to just go short here. Almost just want to go short here, to be honest. Take my chances. Golly, that's disgusting. Pandas? Pandas, what is actually going on here? Takes you out, reverses back down. Hoo-wee! I deem this day untradeable. Only way to really make some bamboo is limit order trading, and yeah, I'm not sure if it's worth. Creating another inside bar on the 5-minute chart is diabolical here. Interesting. What am I supposed to do here? I don't know. This has been our price action for the day. It's actually insane. Incredible. Incredibly horrible price action. I'm just going to short here. And I don't care. Okay, maybe not. Maybe I do care a little bit. Kelly. Untradeable. Very untradeable price action. Hooey. Don't know what to do. Usually that means don't do anything. Down 1,000 today makes sense. I mean, look at the price action. It's just one of those days I'm just destined to lose money. This is why it's so important to have DLLs. Otherwise, I would trade myself into oblivion today for sure because I feel like I'm going to lose the next like 20 trades in a row. All right. Shall we try something diabolical here? What? Okay. Double top? Just go short here? It's like a time of breakout here, but actually I should be going short here. Huh? Still insanely confusing to me. Higher or low, the good signal bar. I tell you, if I go long here, I would 100% lose this trade. If I went long here, I would 100% lose this trade. There's like no world that if I went long here, I would actually win this trade. There's no world if I go long here, I win this trade. It's so clearly choppy. And this is a breakout trade that you're trying to do right now. There's no world where this works. There's no world this trade works. What? Makes a new high. What the heck? How crazy is it if I went long right there? How crazy would that have been? Just going long right here. That's crazy to me. I just went long right here. Price action is telling us everything is choppy. Price action is telling us everything is going to retrace. No breakouts yet. Still. You go long here, you're still in this trade. I mean, how ridiculous is that if I actually went long here? I mean, if I go long here, 10 out of 10 times I lose that trade. But because I didn't do it, the market's going to go up. The one time I skip a trade like this, the market actually starts to break out. Like, what are the chances? That is just diabolical. Like, 10 out of 10 times, if I take this trade, I lose it. Now I'm just watching it actually break out. Oh, no chance to get in. Like, if you look at the price action, nothing here is telling us this is going to just go straight up like this. Everything's telling us it's going to retrace back down. Trend line, 20 EMA. Everything's telling us it's going to retrace back down, in my opinion. In no world would I actually win that trade if I actually entered it. That's insane to me. In no world does that actually work for me. Golly. I gotta do a hard stop at 11. In no world does that work, and it actually does work. Golly. 25-point scalp. In no world do I go along here and I make money on that signal bar on such a choppy day. In no world do I make money on that. Yet it's gonna go up. It makes a new high. All right, whatever. I mean, at a certain point in time, you just go long. You don't even care. At a certain point in time, you just have to try. First entry doesn't matter. Goodness gracious. Strong bear by anyone's low. Whatever. That's a bar reversal. I just don't see anything I like here. I mean, it is going up. I want to try to get long, but I don't see anything I like here. Whoo! Against a strong bull bar, I'll just go long. Let's see what happens. Nope. It's not a strong bull bar. Second entry long. Doesn't trigger the second pullback. Second pullback triggers. Doesn't quite get to the supports I need to get to. I need to get to those supports below it. I need to get to those supports below it. Makes another attempt to get to the supports. Doesn't quite get there. It makes an attempt to get to the supports. Doesn't quite get there. Now I'm going to enter this trade on bad will. Because I wanted to touch the supports actually. I don't want to deal with any type of reversals here. Yeah, I'm going to hold into this chaos. It doesn't make a new high. This needs to go now. This needs to go right now. This needs to go now. Like right now. No pullbacks. If this is going to break out, this is a breakout now. Like, if this wants to break out, this needs to break out now. Like, I'm tired of this. Stupid Pandas. This is the dumbest price action. All right, Pandas, I'm done. Pandas, I'll see you guys bright tomorrow. I'm done with today. Enjoy the rest of your trading day, and hope you guys make more bamboo than I did. I had 20-point move. I guess I've been okay if I just took profits there, but I don't know. All right, Pandas. I'll see you guys bright and early. As always, happy trading, bus. Bye.